So what are we doing today? I wonder. Hi guys, and welcome back to our channel. I know it's been a while, but we're here and we're getting started again, and I hope that you guys enjoy. I'm sure that you already know what we're doing based on the title. My hair is freshly washed, so I'm kind of letting it dry so that I can style it, because if I try to do it right now, it's just gonna flop down. So for this video, right now my hair is just gonna be a mess, guys. I'm just gonna go ahead and pin it back out of my face. Ooh, that looks terrible. Cool. Okay, and that's Samson. He obviously doesn't go very far from me. And so now I'm going to share what we're doing today. Today we are following a tutorial by Dominic Silverio, sorry. And we're going to see how it goes. The tutorial will be featuring the Morphe 35M Boss Mood palette. And yeah, I'm excited to see what he creates and if I can recreate it on my own eyes. So here we go. First impressions, this guy reminds me of James Charles.
Click that subscribe button down below and click that notification bell just to get notified when I upload these little sexy videos. That was way too much. I'm so sorry. Hi! Oh, love, I can't get enough of you.
Okay, so it's already step one and I'm behind. He has his full face of makeup done, like other than his eyes and stuff. So I guess I'm gonna go ahead and jump on over and do that, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I've got my face on, my eyebrows, I've put concealer on my eyelids, I've got full face of coverage with some contour, very minimal. This look is going to be basically the recreation of Dominic Silverio. Why can I not say that? Sorry, Dominic. I will leave a link to his video down below, as I am sure it is probably a lot better than mine, but I'm gonna give it a try. So this is your average person following a tutorial. I just realized there's still makeup on my jewelry. Okay, I did also put something on my lips just to help moisturize them, and yeah, we're gonna get started, so here we go. Okay, first I'm going in with the shade Vampy Vixen, putting that on the outer lids. Why is mine so much darker than his? Also, just so you guys know, I don't have any of the brushes that he had in his video. I'm simply using the Wet n Wild brushes from the dollar store. I love these things. They're super soft, they're super cheap, super affordable, and honestly, they last a long time. That was me reacting to the mess that I'm making on my eyes. Looks nothing like his, guys. Just applying this all to the outer corners and into the crease just a little bit. This is our transition shade. Can I take a moment to just recognize how good my eyebrows look? Wow. Okay, we're going in with the next shade, which is an orange shade called Fired Up. Waiting to see what he does with it. Now guys, I had never watched this. This was my first time ever watching this video, and I just went right into trying it. I considered it a little bit of a challenge to myself. Now again, just using this color Fired Up in the inner corner and blending it up to the Vampy Vixen. Next, he's having us go in with the deep purple shade called Transformer. Okay, we're placing this on the outer corner to kind of darken it up. Now, as soon as I laid this down, I realized I had a problem. I was not sure how I was going to get this to blend out. I've got this weird patchiness that happens on the top of my eyelid with certain colors, and I was really worried that this color was going to be the end of this video. Had to pause it, get after the dogs, of course. I should probably also mention that during this filming, I did not have many brushes. I don't know where they all went. Ugh, that's the dogs shaking my camera around, naturally. I have the Age Rewind Concealer. It's the only concealer I have that's light enough to do the job. Here I am doing my first ever cut crease, well, half cut crease attempt, I guess. This was not the easiest way to do it, but it seemed to go on pretty well. I'm just using a simple flat brush and wiping the top of my Age Rewind concealer to apply concealer to my eyelids. Just kind of blending out my lines a little bit, making it a little smoother transition. Now I'm going in with this shimmery purple shade called Grape Expectations. Clever, guys. This color pops so beautifully against my skin tone. Now this is where I break away from his video. In his video, he adds glitter to the inner corners of the eye, but this girl ain't messing with glitter. Not today, at least. Okay, so I just had to stop this video because he is already done. He added glitter, he put on lashes, he's done all of that, and I'm still left with this. So I'm going to try to salvage this, and I hope you guys enjoy. So here we go. How can I salvage this? I'm going to go in here with the shade Power Slayer. Just trying to blend, right? Especially right there. That's that area that I'm talking about that really likes to grab color and just distort it. Going right back in with the color fired up and blending that in. I felt like I had lost some of that beautiful orangey color that really makes that purple pop. Trying to figure out what to do next. Going back in with Fired Up on a thin liner brush. I don't know if that's really what it's called, but that's what I'm calling it. And this again is breaking away from his tutorial. I really like a smoked out under eye. So I'm going fairly light since this look was still going to be for the daytime. I apologize if you hear my kittens in the background. They are playing. Guys. Now I grabbed a slightly thicker brush just to kind of smoke it out a little bit more. I didn't want it so tight against my waterline. I then take the small brush and I dip into a nice orange shimmer shade called Bright Eyes. And I'm popping this in the corner of my eyes to, you guessed it, brighten them. Just repeating this on the other eye. Trying to decide what else it needs. Oh, forever blending. Now I'm going in with that liner brush again and the fluffy brush again, and I'm just deepening up that outer V using the color Transformer. Cleaned off that brush a little bit to pop a little bit more of that orange in. Like I said, guys, I spent a lot of time trying to get this to really blend out. I don't know if it's just my skin, if it's the concealer, or what it is, but I struggle. There we go. There's that thin liner brush. Just adding a little bit of that Transformer to the outer edge of the lower eyelid. Just to smoke it out a little bit more and bring it all together. Final look time. Just your average person recreating a tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please be sure that you're subscribed to our channel, that you've rung the bell icon, and that you head on over to our Instagram at servicedog_stone or at Mullen Vlogs to keep up.